All right, number one, 60 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. $140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. $60. Wait 1 sec. Let me just double check a setting. Alright, good. We're good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that one more time. Second guessing something. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's it. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, for this thing, so this is what we have. This is what I wrote, and then what we have next is nothing but rest symbols. Let's make an adjustment here. Hold on. There. Alright, now you can see the whole thing. So, yeah, these blank bars, that's going to be a count in for the drums. And then you got some power chords happening, you got some bass happening as well. And what I want you to do first is learn this, be able to play it, set the tempo, whatever you want. Do it as slow as you want, as fast as you want. Just either way is fine with me. So long as you can play it. And then what we have is the same rhythm again, but all rest symbols. So what you're going to do after you learn how to play this is you're going to write your own thing using the exact same rhythm. So, really, anything is fine. Anything at all. Looping a bar at a time can be very helpful in getting it down. So, let's take this a bar at a time. So I'm going to play this slow. First I had this set at 120, then I thought 100 might be better. So here is something new. A 16th note triplet. It's really not that tough to do. It's probably looks more difficult than it is. So basically you have 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 1, done. Or 1, 2, 3, 4 and. So 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. So 1 da dun dun da 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 dun 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 da dun dun da 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 dun. Next bar, this is stuff you've definitely done many times. So we got 1 and 2 and 4. In the next bar we have another 16th note triplet. This little run starts on the upbeat of 3. So I made sure to notate it this way with the rhythm. This way I could make all rest symbols down here. Normally I would notate this a little different to make it easier to read, but it wouldn't translate to rest symbols very well. So what we got da 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 dun da 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 dun da 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 dun and a 4E and a da 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 dun and a 4E and a. And the next part, arguably the easiest, is just 1 and 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 4. So the bend idea, right there. You're going to hold the 10th fret of the B string with your index finger. Your ring finger will be on the 12th fret of the G string, middle finger on the 11th fret of the G string, so these two fingers will bend the G string at the same time. The idea is bend the G string up to about the same note as the note on the B string. If it's a little off, that's okay. It can add to some nasty, nasty bends in a good way. So you bend that up, and then you're going to hit it again while the bend is in the air, and then slide out. Have your thumb over the top when you do that bend. It really helps you get a good controlled bend, as well as making it easier to bend high, or bend as high as you need to. Alright, rewatch all that for the individual bars. Here's the whole thing at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so at the 100 that is marked at, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you can do, again, set this at whatever tempo you want. But you can like loop a bar at a time. And then just mess around with something until you find something you like. Whoops, that wasn't it. And just like do that for each bar, and then be able to play through the whole thing. So, like after doing that bend from the end of what I did and the sliding out of it, like playing something down here would be good. So this way you can do that slide out of the bend and then be in a good position to continue playing. So just keep things like that in mind as you're writing stuff, because you need to be able to go from one thing to the next well. So write something you can do. Obviously learn what I wrote first, and then you're going to write your own thing. This right here is just for however you want to end it. It'll just be a single note to end. And then, yeah, we're going to take it, or just do that to start. You do not need to have a whole thing written by next week, but just do your best to learn that. All right. Any questions? Let me know. I will see you again next week.